Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making souffle pancakes with miso maple syrup. Fluffy as a cloud, these souffle pancakes are paired with a unique miso maple syrup, a delightful twist on a traditional favorite. Japanese souffle pancakes are soft and light and best served immediately. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, prepare the batter. Separate the egg whites and egg yolks into 2 mixing bowls. Then place the egg whites into the freezer for 15 minutes. Next, add the egg yolks, whole milk, and vanilla extract into a bowl. Then whisk it together until a thick and frothy mixture forms. Use a fine mesh strainer or a sifter to sift the cake flour and baking powder over the egg yolk mixture. Stir until just combined. Then set aside. Now, because the flavors of these pancakes are so delicate, you want to make sure that you use aluminum-free baking powder. Next, remove the egg whites from the freezer after 15 minutes. Add the cream of tartar to the egg whites and use an electric mixer to whip the egg whites until frothy. While whipping the eggs, gradually add the granulated sugar until fully incorporated. Continue to whip the egg whites until stiff, glossy peaks form. Add 1/3 of the whipped egg whites to the egg yolk mixture and fold until well combined. Add another 1/3 of the egg white mixture to the egg yolk mixture and gently fold until no streaks remain. Repeat once more with the remaining egg whites. Apply a thin layer of oil to a frying pan, then place 2 1/4 cup scoops of batter onto the pan. To make taller souffle pancakes, the pancakes can be made in a greased 3 to 4 inch pastry ring that are at least 1.5 inches tall. Let the batter set for 30 seconds before adding 2 tablespoons of batter on top of each pancake. Then add 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, avoiding the pancake batter. Cover the pan and cook the pancakes for 2 minutes. Remove the cover and add 2 tablespoons of batter on top of each pancake. Cover and cook for another 4 minutes. Use a fish spatula or another thin spatula to flip the pancakes. Add another tablespoon of water and cover with the lid to cook the pancakes for an additional 4 minutes. While the pancakes are cooking, prepare the miso maple syrup. Whisk together the miso with the maple syrup until smooth. Take the lid off of the pan and plate the pancakes. Serve the pancakes immediately while you start the next batch of pancakes. Then top with a sprinkling of powdered sugar, butter, and the miso maple syrup. Serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.